There's no word in any natural language that can describe it. I say it only because, English, right? There's no word actually in our language. There's no word in our tone. There's no word in any natural language that can describe it. That's why we say the nothingness of God. God is nothing. He is. There's no word that can describe him. You could never imagine him, even if you tried. You can imagine, and I hope you don't see that white guy with a beard, big old white guy sitting on a throne with a beard. There is no description for God. There's no language, no word that can give you an understanding of God.